How dry I am, how dry I am, nobody knows how dry I am.
Speak easy, said Johnny Brown. I'm gonna leave this town. Everything is closing down. Speak easy, and tell the bunch I won't go east, won't go west, got a different hunch. I'll be leaving in the summer, and I won't come back till fall. Goodbye, Broadway, hello, Montreal. With a stein upon the table, I'll be laughing at you all. Goodbye, Broadway, hello, Montreal. I'm on my way, and I'll make whoop, whoop, whoopee night and day. Anytime my wifey wants me, you can tell her where to call. Goodbye, Broadway, hello, Montreal. Let's go! Yamo, I think I want a drink. Yamo, there's water in the sink, the good old rusty sink. But who the heck wants water when you're dying for a drink? That old tin pail was never meant to carry ginger ale. Never.